You are not visible. Yes, yes. Now
You
visible.
are not visible. Can you turn on your camera? Okay, okay.
Now
That's yes, now I can see you. So, hi Ruby, it's our first video. How are you?
I'm fine. And what's about you?
I'm doing great. So, let me just introduce myself first and then you can introduce yourself, okay?
Okay, okay.
Okay, I am an engineer by profession. I am currently working as a design engineer. I am from Pakistan, Islamabad. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay, so my name is Ruby Pandit. I'm from Bhopal, India. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I completed my post graduation. I also completed my B.Ed. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are exercise, doing exercise, and learning new things. And yes, nowadays I'm learning this language most.
So, are you a teacher by profession?
No, I am not teacher.
You
It
graduated in which field?
in commerce stream.
Okay, okay, got it. So you
Yes.
are not doing any job, right?
Yes, now I'm not doing any job.
Okay, that's great. So I just wanted to know, like, how do you learn English and what things motivates you? And the other thing is, like, when did you start your YouTube channel and what type of videos do you make?
So first of all, I used to use four method, but I'm not consistent of this four method because I have no extra time to give time to learn this language. So yes, I read one page daily and use another app like Jostock. So I called one-to-one calling and connect with stranger and talking in English. And yes, I write one page on daily basis. And I'm if I talk about my journey, so I've started a YouTube channel previous year 2023, and but now I'm but 1 month ago I'm uploading video on YouTube. Because of that reason, the other people's connect with me, and I also connect with them. That's why I'm starting this YouTube channel. Yes.
Okay,
So
that's great.
can you, would you tell me which method you use to learn this language?
Okay,
Yes,
so
yes, yes. One things I added to you. Why learn this language? Why are you learn this language? Any reason behind this?
okay, so I started my YouTube channel this month, like January 2024. I'm making conversational videos as well as related to grammar and English reading. I am also making these kind of videos. So you can say just about my passion. I like and love this language. That's why I started my YouTube channel and just making the videos like this. I'm not sure, like, there are few things, like you can say when I started, I was facing a lot of difficulties when I started learning English. That time I didn't know what should I do. But as a beginner, I took just steps like making my, you can say,
Perfect.
uh, sorry.
What should take what to take in step we you should take in a step we reach it fluent in English.
So I can say I took some step like listening, reading, and taking just working on grammar. These kind of things I mentioned.
So
I
you did
started in the
all
first time.
so you did all education in English board, English medium.
You can say it was in English medium that, but it was a mixture in Urdu and English mixed. But that time the teacher they didn't speak English in the classroom. So you can say we didn't have much knowledge about English that time. We just know about how to read and how to write. But speaking English is, I would say, is a totally different thing. So we didn't know that time, and we started this after, you can say, graduation. So yeah, this is all my journey that I took to learn this language.
Okay. So you have installed any others app like some others app you install on Play Store to enhance your English speaking practice?
Previously, I was using Clubhouse. I have some friends from all around the world, so I joined their room and I talk to them in English. But right now, I am not using Clubhouse. Do you use any application?
Yes, I use Ace Fluency and JoeStalk, but I have a subscription on JoeStalk. But Ace Fluency is free of cost to talk every day, 20 minutes. So you should try this app. It's free of cost.
ASFluency?
Ace Fluency.
Is it only in India or it is available globally?
I think it's globally. I not
Okay, I will check that. Maybe later you can send me the name in message, then I will check it.
okay.
So on that, can we record a session like we do here on Skype, or it was just random conversation?
It's a conversation we upload on YouTube channel.
I mean, on Ease Fluency, can we record the session like we do on Skype?
No, 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 no. This is a conversation app with a co-learner, not of a stranger to connect with each other. And here is just making some group and have a subscription to connect with the co-learner. Without subscription, you not connect the co-learn professional teachers tutor. You can say
So you mean it's paid application, we have to pay
yes,
first, right?
subscription is paid, but it's free calling, is free cost. Each and every day.
Okay, but recording is not available there, right?
No, 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 no.
Okay, okay, that's great. So on your channel, do you make any other videos related to English language or just conversational videos with people?
I made a in conversation video with practicing with stranger, and yeah, I also upload short video which helps me a lot, just like making short sentences and vocabulary which reminds me and which remember to long time. And you say you can say we upload this shorts video for our subscriptions will be increased in future like that. So I
So now you are not uploading short video?
sometimes I upload a short video on YouTube, not regular basis.
Okay, that's great.
So
So
do you have any topic we will discuss on this because we are randomly talk to each other continuously.
it is just our first video. So maybe in second video we will come up with any topic because it's already above 8 minutes. You can say 8 or 9 minutes. So we can you can say we can wrap up this session, and maybe in the next session we can have any topic whenever you get free.
Okay, so now we wrap up this quit this session.
No, I just wanted to ask you, like, do you make a video daily or just uh, for YouTube, or just when you
No,
get
no,
time?
I make conversation daily, but yeah, sometimes I not connect with the stranger because I have no times extra because I want to I have a tuition. I'm going to tuition and take classes for teaching. That's why I'm doing not being
You're
time
also teaching students?
videos. Yes.
Which grade students, I mean?
No, no, no. I'm not teach student.
You are teaching, you are learning yourself, like studying?
I'm learning yourself, and I'm going tuition classes for teaching for teaching at school.
Okay, just to join, you joined one, you can say one academy
No,
or
I'm just
tuition just to.
preparing. No, no, no. I'm just preparing for teaching examination. That's why. But I give I some days before I give exam. Uh, give seated examination, and after I prepare for interview.
Okay, okay, just for the exam.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, in the evening, do you go or it's a full time?
I sometimes I give on an afternoon, and but I'm going regular at evening time.
Okay, okay, that's great. So
Yes.
I guess yeah, we can wrap up this session. In the next session, we can have any topic. We can discuss that topic and we can just make a session with that, right?
Okay, sure.
Do you have any question for me?
No, no, I have not question.
No question.
No, you say first. You only told to me not upload this video, and we have no topic to discuss on this. So okay, so we will try to next time to connect each
I
other and to
I
talk.
can I upload this video or not?
As you wish, you want to upload this video on YouTube, so you upload this video. But I don't upload this video on YouTube.
Okay, just a random conversation I will upload, but once later when we have a session, we will have a specific topic. We can do that. Okay.
Okay, 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 sure.
Okay, I guess yeah, it was nice conversation with you. Hope to
Okay.
see you again.
Yes, thank you. Give me precious time to me.
Thank you. Bye bye.